It's Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. It's July 1st, 2025. Can you believe half the year is over? I can't. But since it's the first, it's time to share what's in our subscriptions for the month. I know you just love getting a little crafty happy mail delivered to your door. So let's head down to the table and let's see what we have in store for you this month. I will start out and share the foil of the month. That is charged on the 5th of each month. That's when we ship it as well, unless it's a holiday or a Sunday, we will ship it. This month, you get some foilable sheets, which is bees and sunflowers. I love these patterns. We give you the positive and the negative print, so you can do lots of variety of foiling with the foil negatives with these. Here's some beautiful cluster of sunflowers, positive and negative print of those. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at the sheet of bees just buzzing around. You get the positive and negative of those. Adorable little bees. Then we have a nice hexagon pattern here. Get the positive and negative print of those as well. And we're back to the beginning. You get 8 different patterns, 1 sheet of each. And that's the bees and sunflower foilable sheets. We normally just give you another pack of foilable panels in the foil subscription. But we're going to spoil you a little bit this month, and we're going to give you a package of our cut-ups. Our foilable cut-ups are lots of fun. They are pre-cut designs. We've got images and sentiments in here that you just foil and add to your cards. They're so much fun. I just know you're going to love these. I'm going to zoom in just a bit here so maybe we can see some of the different pieces. We've got bees, we've got hexagons and honeycombs, we've got sentiments, we've got little flowers, we've even got a couple of little tags, a lot of little elements to make your cards complete. So fun to foil and go with our foilable cut-ups. So that's just a little something extra in your foilable subscription this month. Now we will talk about the foil. So you're going to get a whole roll of a brand new foil that hasn't been released yet. So you get it first with the foil subscription. This is Satin Champagne. It is a beautiful light, I would say a light gold, but it has that beautiful satin finish. It looks absolutely gorgeous when it's foiled. I can't wait to make some cards with you and do some videos. I know I'm very behind on my videos and I apologize about that. My goal is to get back in here and get creating with you and making some more card videos. And I definitely want to use this new Satin Champagne gold foil. You get that with the foil subscription. You get a full roll, so it's 6 1/4 inches wide by 25 feet long. So you've got plenty of foil to your heart's content. So now let's go to our stamp and die of the month. It charges on the 10th of the month, and that's when we send them out. And this is called Hey Honey. These adorable bees and the flowers and the beehive were all illustrated by Yuzu. We're so excited to have her doing some illustrations for our stamp sets. She makes adorable little characters. Look at these little bees. Here I've colored them like in gray tones with the yellow, but I wanted to show you also, here they were colored a little differently. They're so cute, so adorable. I love this set. I can't wait to make some cards with it. The sentiments say, you make life sweeter than honey, sweet wishes on your special day, and hey honey. We also have the coordinating dies for those of you that get the stamp and die of the month. So you can get it as just the stamp of the month if you only want the stamp, and you'll get it delivered to your door, or you can get the stamp and die of the month and we'll deliver both the stamp set as well as the die. Now let's talk about our Crafty Courtyard kit. It is a card making kit. It charges on the 15th of each month, and that's when we ship it out. This is one of the best values for a card kit that's out there. I don't think you can beat it. You get a sheet that tells you what's in the kit. So we've got all of this in here this month. The theme is Honey Bear, so got that. You're also going to get a sheet of card sketches. Now, your card sketches will be on the back of the item list sheet. I just printed my little sample to have to show you here. We've got card sketches and a list of what's in the kit. Here we've got our cardstock. We've got 4 colors of cardstock and a sheet of white. We've got our Sunny Sky Blue, School Bus, kind of an orangey yellow, our Cobblestone Gray, which is a really nice deep dark gray, and our Salon Pink. And as your specialty sheet of paper this month, we've got a full 8.5 by 11 sheet of this gorgeous yellow glitter paper. Look how beautiful and sparkly that is. The glitter won't shed on you, and it die cuts beautifully. You also get your zippered mesh bag. Keep everything in there, or keep your craft supplies for traveling and crafting on the go. Let's go over what's inside the kit beyond the cardstock. Just move the package here. So you're going to get a set of card panels. These are A2 size card panels, 4 1/4 by 5.5. These card panels are exclusive to the kit this month. So only our subscribers are going to be able to get these. And then I've got something a little special. I'm going to do a category on the website where you can pick up more of these exclusive items if you'd like. So only the subscribers can see it. You're in a special group in our website, and we'll have a little category for you where you can pick up some extra of these card panels if you like. There's 12 in here, 12 different patterns, all of them equally one more adorable than the next. We've got bees, little flowers, and some rainbows. Here's some cute little rainbows. Here's those flowers with the little, they've got a little smiley face in the center, so cute. Here's some more bees and rainbows and clouds, sunshine. Got bees and flowers here. Got some nice stripes. Always need some good stripes to go with everything, as well as polka dots. I love my stripes and polka dots. Here we've got a nice heart pattern. Here's a hexagon. I love that multicolored hexagon. We've got some giant polka dots. And then some cute little rows of flowers here, and then we're back to the beginning. Oh no, this is the last sheet. It says be happy with the bees and flowers. So cute. Again, these are exclusive just to our subscribers, so you want to make sure you subscribe to the kit so you can get these if you like them. We've got an exclusive sequin mix. If we have any of these extra once we put all the kits together, we will definitely put them in that subscriber only area on the website. But these are beautiful. They've got little facets of color to them. And they're all the colors that are in that paper pad. Soft blues, yellows. There's a little silvery color in there. Really pretty sequins. I love those. You're also going to get a little bag of some 3-dimensional little bees that you can stick on to things. These are so cute. If you remember the ladybugs a couple of months ago, these are very similar. They're just little bees. I'm also giving you a little bee writing pen. This is something I've never done before, but I saw these and I had to get them. I thought, oh my gosh, they go with this kit so well. And don't you always need something to sign your cards with? So these are super fine tip pens. They've got a little safety cap on there that you'll have to remove before you can write. But I love how smooth they write, and it's nice and thin. I really love a good writing pen. So if you do too, I hope you're going to love this adorable little bee pen. I just thought so cute. Goes with the kit theme. Have to get it. You're going to get some new sticky gems. These are called the browns. So we have like a nice little taupe or tan color here. More of a rich orangish brown in the middle, kind of orangey brown. Warm brown, I should say. And then here we have a nice like coffee brown, nice dark brown, all sparkly. Nice to add that nice little sparkly finishing touch to your cards. Now we'll get to the stamp set. A nice big 6x6 stamp set. This is Honey Bears. Aren't they cute? Look at those. He's got a couple of hives there. I hope he doesn't get stung by anything. We've got a little beekeeper bear. This one's dressed up like a honeybee. How cute. This one's enjoying its honey. And here's another one. It's got some honey on the little stir thing there. I don't know what you call that, but I'll have to look that up. We've got a couple of chubby bees on here, a little pot of honey. We've got a little hexagon pattern. I've even given you a stamp that does like a little drip you could put on the top of your card and color it like honey there. We've got a couple little bears playing with the bees. The sentiments say, may your special day be as sweet as you, sending big bear hugs. You make my heart buzz. Isn't that sweet? I love this stamp set. So cute. So what the stamps look like on the set, I've just colored them up there. And then we also have the coordinating die set, which includes dies to cut out the sentiments as well. And it'll cut out that little drip that was at the top there. So that is our Crafty Courtyard kit. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at our subscriptions for July 2025. You can find out more and subscribe over at pinkandmain.com. And until I see you next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.